Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this amazing ice cream sandwich. Let's have a go. You need 150 grams of salted butter and 80 grams of sugar. Whisk them together in a mixing bowl. Then add in 1 egg and whisk again. Next, sift in 180 grams of flour, 20 grams of cocoa powder and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Sifting avoids any lumps. Then give it a whisk. Lovely! Your cookie dough is ready except for one addition of 5 grams of chocolate chips. Brilliant! Refrigerate for 30 minutes, then it's easy to scoop onto a lined baking tray. Flatten it out using a fork and bake for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Meanwhile, get a tub of vanilla ice cream and slice it open. That's right, we're slicing the top off. Then get your chocolate cookie and place the vanilla ice cream on top. Then close it up and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Dip in rainbow sprinkles. And refrigerate for a further 30 minutes. And your ice cream sandwich is ready! Look at that. Delicious! So here's our second design using normal chocolate chip cookies and chocolate sauce. So bake your chocolate chip cookie in the same way you did before, then place the vanilla ice cream on top, cut away the packing. Refrigerate that for 30 minutes and meanwhile melt some dark chocolate. Then drizzle it on top. Close it up with the other chocolate chip cookie and refrigerate for a last 30 minutes and you're ready to roll. Enjoy!